Hi guys, this is Mark from the ATV Guys, and today we're doing a tire change. So what I'm going for is I have this brand new Z-Force 950 from CF Moto, and I didn't like the stock tires. They're good tires. I won't say that they're not good. They're the CST Stag, but I found them too small. This is what they are. They're 27, 11, 14 in the back, and 27, 9, 14 in the front. Excellent tire tread, excellent tire compound, especially in winter. This is one of the better riding tires for winter, so it's very, very good. But it's just too small, so I wanted bigger. So we went for this. But there's a trick to it, to doing a proper tire change. And one thing you can see is I got what we call bead lock wheels from MSA, the M31 Lock 2. It's a very high-end wheel, and I really like it. Very high quality. And I got my my very own Traction Alpha tires. So let's show you how we do this safely. And there's a reason why I took bead locks. Check out the video. This is not a mud machine, right? This is a trail machine, but there's a reason why, and it's because of the way you can do your tire change at home. But this can work. You need a lot of soapy water, but it works, and you can actually mount and unmount your tires at home without a big, huge, expensive tire machine. So you save some money there. $18 foot-pounds.